Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a 3D star for Christmas using paper. For making this, you will need two square pieces of paper of equal size, a glue, marker, scissors and a ruler. First, take one sheet of square paper. Here I am using 20 x 20 cm paper. You can take paper of size of your own choice. Make sure it forms a perfect square by folding it crosswise. Then fold the paper like this. Make another fold in this direction. Now you will get a small square like this. Now open the paper and measure 3.5 cm on each side of the folded marks from the outer edge. With scissors, cut from the outer edge till the mark point using folded mark as guidelines. Do the same for all the remaining three sides. Now fold the paper like this from the cut edges to form a triangle. Repeat the same for the remaining three sides. Now apply glue on one side of the triangle and pull the other side on top and stick to form a three-dimensional triangle like this. Repeat the same on the other three sides. Now we have made one piece of the star. Do the same for the second piece of paper. Now stick both the pieces like this to make a perfect 3D star. Now decorate your home with this lovely 3D star for Christmas celebrations. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do not forget to give a big thumbs up. Also, share video with your friends and do subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.